When faced with financial challenges, Canadians are presented with a variety of options to help them get back on their feet. But which one of them is the best option for you? The answer depends on your situation. I'm Dan Faber, a licensed insolvency trustee with Faber Inc. And today we're going to be comparing consumer proposals and debt settlement and the benefits and drawbacks of each. If your debt is getting out of hand, a debt settlement program can potentially be an option for you. It's a service offered by debt settlement companies, and they do this by negotiating with your creditors and debt collectors. Debt settlement companies will try to negotiate a better payment plan with your creditors. They may also try to settle or reduce your debt on your behalf. These services come with a fee, which is usually a percentage of the amount that you would have saved on settled debt. The company could try to negotiate for a lump sum payment that's less than the amount you owe. The creditors agree. You must make at least one payment to your creditors for the settled amount, and the company will then charge you for the services provided. Through debt settlement, you can settle most unsecured debts, including credit cards, unsecured personal loans, student loans, payday loans, medical bills. One key drawback of debt settlement is that the settlement is not legally binding, and that collection activity could continue. Creditors do not have to accept settlement offers, and debt balances may increase because of late fees or interest while negotiating settlements. Your specific situation will determine how debt settlement affects your credit, and the more that's written off when settling your debt, the more your credit score will be affected. A consumer proposal is different though. It is an arrangement that's negotiated between a licensed insolvency trustee and your creditors. It is governed by the Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act and is usually a last resort before filing for bankruptcy. If other debt management programs haven't worked, a consumer proposal might be an option. The proposal will request that your debts be alleviated to a certain extent. It will also eliminate interest. Consumer proposals are legally binding. That means both you and your creditors are entering a contract. This agreement will immediately protect you from debt collectors and collection calls and legal actions. This will mean that your assets are safe and interest stops accumulating as of the date you file for the consumer proposal. A consumer proposal will impact your credit rating, and it will give you an R7 credit rating. This means that it will stay on your credit report until 3 years after you complete your proposal payments. Consumer proposals are subject to approval by your creditors, and if creditors don't agree, you might have to offer them additional money to convince them to agree. Since consumer proposals and debt settlement plans have a negative impact on your credit, it is important to speak with a licensed insolvency trustee to discuss with them the best option for you. For a free consultation, contact us at 1-877-944-1177 or visit our website at www.faber.ca. Our qualified and empathetic staff are here to help you weigh your options and to provide you advice you need to get your financial situation back on track. Remember, your brighter days are ahead. To find out more about our other forward-thinking debt solutions, please click here.